This is a BMW 525i. Has aluminum wheels. The BMW is a very nice brand of vehicle. BMWs are German cars that are very high quality vehicles. You have an antenna in the back. Let's take a look around inside. It's a very nice key actually, right here. You have to lock it, to unlock it, and to pop the trunk. The door handle feels very sleek. The inside is very nice. Right here, it has the company name, BMW. Has black leather seats, leather steering wheel, it has a nice wood finish. Right here you see you have many buttons, volume up, volume down. You also have hands-free calling. It's very nice in this car. It feels very comfortable. And right here, this is actually a very cool feature. Let me show you guys. When this GPS turns on, right here, you actually can control the screen with this. Now watch. It's actually very cool. And you got a menu button as well, right here. But you can look at the climate. There's lots of features, and it's a very cool device that you have. It's very neat. And it's a GPS system as well. Right here on the speedometer, you see that it goes up to 160, and this vehicle only has 115,479 miles. And it even redlines at 6,500 RPMs. This BMW screams when it takes off. It's a very nice BMW. Let's look around a little bit more. So we have lights at the top. We have quite a few buttons up here. Let's see. We have SOS calling. We have some microphones up here for the hands-free calling. It's kind of hard to see though. We also have a moonroof up there. It's very hard to see though. Okay, and we have many different controls. Let's see. Okay, we have a cup holder. That's very cool. That's not very common in cars to have a cup holder right there. In the back, also leather seats. These are very nice seats. Let's see what this car sounds like when it starts up. It starts very smooth. It sounds very nice and calm. It's very responsive and has a lot of torque. The BMW 525i series is one of your larger BMWs. It has a ton of power under the hood. And let's take a quick look under the hood as well. This is what the engine looks like. The engine is a very large, compact engine. As you can see, you even have a stabilizer bar going across. That's very fancy. That makes it so you can go around turns without the car shifting so much weight to one side. Shuts very smoothly as well. Let's take a look at the trunk. And I really like how BMWs, the handle actually comes up. It has a very large trunk back here. You can fit quite a few things. Plenty of luggage back here. Comes with a spare. And also a jack. There you have it. This is the 2005 BMW 525i. It's a rear-wheel drive vehicle. Thank you for watching my video, guys. If you liked it, please hit that like button and also subscribe if you want to watch more of my videos. In my description, I do have referral links. They have referral bonuses and ways for you to save money in life. Just simple ways of doing the exact same thing you already do every day.